You know, there's something about the pull-up bar that feels almost magical. I mean, it's just a simple piece of equipment, right? A horizontal bar suspended between 2 points. But when you hang from it, it's like you're defying gravity, stretching your body in ways you didn't think were possible. I've always been fascinated by the idea of height. Growing up, I was the shortest in my class, always craning my neck to see over the crowd, wishing I could just grow a few inches taller. I read somewhere that hanging exercises could actually help with that, and I thought, why not give it a shot? So, there I was, standing in front of the pull-up bar, staring at it like it was some kind of portal to a taller version of myself. I took a deep breath, grasped the bar with my palms facing away, and let my body hang. The first few seconds were a mix of exhilaration and discomfort. My arms felt like they were stretching, my spine elongating, and for a moment I could almost feel the weight of the world lifting off my shoulders. Then I remembered the importance of form. I started with the classic pull-up. It's not just about pulling yourself up, it's about engaging your core, keeping your legs straight, and really focusing on that upward motion. Each time I pulled myself up, I imagined my spine lengthening, my muscles working to create space between each vertebra. I could almost visualize myself growing taller with every rep. But it wasn't just about the pull-ups. I discovered the beauty of hanging leg raises. As I hung from the bar, I lifted my legs, feeling the stretch in my lower back and hips. It was like a gentle reminder that my body was capable of so much more than I gave it credit for. With each lift, I felt my core strengthening, my posture improving. It was as if I was sculpting myself, inch by inch, not just in height, but in confidence. Then there were the dead hangs. Just hanging there, letting gravity do its thing, was surprisingly meditative. I could feel my spine decompressing, my muscles relaxing. It was a moment of stillness in a chaotic world. I closed my eyes and imagined myself taller, standing proud, no longer the shortest in the room. I realized it wasn't just about the physical height. It was about the journey. The pull-up bar became a symbol of my determination, a reminder that sometimes, to reach new heights, you have to hang on a little longer, push through the discomfort, and believe that growth is possible.